coding. What is medical coding? The medical coding is nothing but converting the diseases or injuries and surgeries or procedures and materials or supplies into universally accepted codes. What is medical coding? Medical coding is nothing but conversion of diseases or conditions or injuries and surgeries or procedures and materials or supplies into universally accepted codes. We know diseases or injuries, example like skin diseases, bone fracture or fractures or injuries, heart failures, fever, the increased temperature, HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. These are all called diseases or conditions or injuries. Next, if the patient is coming with any disease, the doctor will perform the surgery. Like he came with the heart failure. The doctor perform the surgery called CABG, coronary artery bypass graft. It is a heart surgery. Dermoplasty, surgical repair of skin. Nephrectomy, surgical removal of kidneys. X-rays, MRIs. Then materials or supplies. What are the materials or supplies? Like bandages, wheelchair, injections. These are all materials or supplies. All the diseases and surgeries and materials or supplies are converted into codes. In the medical coding, coding is the simplest coding. We use only alphanumerical or numerical codes. It may be 32415. Our phone number is a numerical code. Same likewise, if I said B20, B is an alphabet, 20 are numbers. B20 is a code for HIV. It is a code for HIV. Likewise, all the diseases and all the surgeries and all the materials we are applying universally accepted codes. It may be numerical or alphanumerical codes. It's called as medical coding. It's called as medical coding.